This is the ingredients that you're going to be needing for our brownie pudding, Ina Garten's Brownie Pudding. You're going to need 2 sticks of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of vanilla bean paste or 1 vanilla bean pod, a half a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of granulated sugar, 3/4 cups of cocoa powder, and 4 extra large eggs. I don't have extra large, I have large, so I'm using 6 large eggs. Okay, I'm going to put our 2 sticks of butter in the microwave to melt. You can also melt them on the stove, but you do want to let this cool some before you add it to your brownie batter mixture. Okay, we're going to start out by adding 5 eggs and 2 cups of granulated sugar. You want to beat these until they are pale yellow and very creamy and frothy. So there's our 5 eggs and then 2 cups of granulated sugar. You're going to beat these for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, we're going to sift 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour and 3/4 of a cup of cocoa powder. You can see it's pale yellow now and it's creamy. So we're going to go ahead and add our vanilla bean paste, or you can use a vanilla bean. Mix that in. And then we're going to start pouring in our cocoa and flour mixture that's been sifted. Alright, now we're going to pour in our melted butter that has been cooled a little bit so it doesn't cook our eggs right in gradually. That's our brownie batter. The first thing we're going to do is butter or grease our pan really well. I'm using a ceramic oval pan. And you want a pan that will fit inside of another pan that is oven proof, because we have to put water in this so it will cook evenly. Go ahead and take our brownie batter and right in there. That looks like some pretty brownie batter, doesn't it? A bit more in the pan. Let's get all that out. Okay, so we are going to put this in a 325 oven for 1 hour. Now, I'm going to sit this in the oven, and then I'm going to take the hottest tap water that I can get and take it to right up the side, at least halfway up on my pan, okay? And I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, I'm just going to pour this tap water. You don't want it to get on your brownie batter, okay? You want it to go at least halfway up on that pan. There we go. I think that's good, about right there. We filled the pan, the glass pan, half full with the hottest tap water we could get. And we're going to put this in a 325 oven for 1 hour. We'll check on our brownie pudding, just see how it's doing. It says 34 minutes left and it's looking so good. Our brownie pudding just came out of the oven after 1 hour, and you do want to test it. It says when a toothpick is inserted into it, from the edge it should be 3/4 of the way clean, and it definitely is. If you can see that there. I think you can tell, can't you? So it is done. We are going to let this cool for 1 hour before we try it, okay? I'll meet you back here in a minute. If you know, you know. Okay, it's time, guys. We're going to try the viral brownie pudding. Ina Garten's viral brownie pudding. Listen. So it's crunchy on top. And it's supposed to be gooey in the middle like a lava cake. It is a little bit gooey, but you know what? I did put, oh yeah, it is. It's more gooey in the center. I did put an extra egg because I didn't have extra large eggs, so I used 5 large eggs. So you can see that on the spoon. I'm going to get some for me and some for Chad. So I did bake it for an hour. So I'm wondering if I put the extra egg or if I should only bake it for a little bit less. Actually, I like it the way it is. I think it's perfect. Look at this. Can you see that? Can you see that right there? It's gooey. It's warm. It looks amazing. Let's try it. Oh, yeah. That is perfect. Oh, my gosh. Chad, will you come and try it? That is amazing. Let's try a piece of the crunchy part. Very good. Oh my gosh, Chad. That's amazing. Let me give you a spoon. There.
Ooh.
It's a brownie, but it's like lava cake. It's moist on the inside like pudding and crunchy on the outside. Can I film you trying it?
Sure.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm eating, but it sure looks good.
Isn't that delicious?
That's so soft.
It
And
is.
the crunchy part makes it soft
Yeah,
and crunchy.
it's crazy, isn't it? That different texture. It's
really
really good.
Yes.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please give me a thumbs up. I also invite you to subscribe to my channel. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.